When was the last time you cleaned your shower head? Now we probably don't normally do this, but it's best if we do. I've got here an old shower head. Now limescale buildup occurs from time to time, and it's not nice showering with a limescale shower head that can also reduce the water pressure flow. Now get yourself an empty plastic bottle cut open. Add 1/3 of warm water and 2/3 of white vinegar, just enough to place in the shower head. Add 2 to 3 scoops of oxy powder or baking soda, then place in the shower head. This will create an oxidation effect to break down limescale, bacteria and all the bad stuff for an easy clean of the head. Leave in for up to an hour, or you can leave overnight, depending upon how bad it is. Now if your shower head is made out of brass, do not leave it in the vinegar for more than 30 minutes. So what's happening is the mixture will help breaking down the limescale inside the head. Make sure the handle gets a good clean too. Give it a scrub with a screw pad. Run water through the head to release any deposits remaining, and finally give it an overall clean. All good as new and safe to use next time you shower. Take care, peace.